OnePlus Ace 6T Genshin Impact Kamisato Ayaka Edition is a special release smartphone that blends cutting-edge performance with the serene elegance of Kamisato Ayaka. Designed for Genshin fans, tech lovers, and collectors, this limited edition device stands out not only for its powerful hardware, but also for its beautifully crafted theme and exclusive accessories. Every part of the experience, from the packaging to the user interface, feels premium, artistic, and deeply connected to Ayaka's character. Once powered on, the phone reveals an interface crafted entirely around Ayaka's aesthetic. The icons, animations, lock screen effects, wallpapers, and even the charging and fingerprint animations are redesigned to match her icy elegance. The result is a software experience that feels calm, stylish, and deeply atmospheric. It's not just a phone with a themed skin. It's a full system transformation that makes every interaction feel connected to Ayaka's character and Inazuma's graceful style. Beyond its artwork and themed accessories, the OnePlus Ace 6T Kamisato Ayaka Edition is built as a performance flagship. It is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, delivering breakthrough speed, incredible efficiency, and ultra-low latency. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X, RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage up to 1 TB, the phone handles everything: multitasking, gaming, video editing, and high-performance apps with ease. OnePlus's self-developed Wind Chase gaming engine unlocks unlimited 165 FPS gaming, a rare feat even among high-end devices. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact or any other demanding title, the gameplay feels extremely smooth, stable, and responsive. The phone features a large 6.83-inch AMOLED display designed for immersive viewing. With a 1.5K resolution, LTPO 2.0 technology, and refresh rates up to 160 Hz, every motion looks fluid and natural. The screen reaches up to 1800 nits of peak brightness, ensuring clear visibility even under sunlight, while HDR10 Plus support enhances videos with richer contrast and more vivid colors. Additional display modes, such as reading mode, night mode, and vibrant color effect, help optimize comfort for long sessions of browsing, reading, or gaming. Photography on the OnePlus Ace 6T is powered by a dual-camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 main sensor with OIS support and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This combination allows you to capture sharp, stable, and detailed photos in a variety of lighting conditions. The 16-megapixel selfie camera delivers clear, bright images and supports fast face unlock, as well as smooth 1080p video recording. Whether you're taking scenic shots, portraits, or selfies, the camera system offers a reliable, high-quality experience. The OnePlus Ace 6T is equipped with a massive 8300 mAh battery, giving you extended power for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. When you do need to recharge, the phone supports 100-watt SuperVOOC wired charging and 50-watt AirVOOC wireless charging, bringing the battery back to life at impressive speeds. An ultra power-saving mode is also included, switching the display to black and white and minimizing background activity to help you stay connected for longer during low battery moments. Running on ColorOS 16, the Ace 6T provides a clean, intuitive, and responsive interface. Animations feel fluid, app switching is fast, and optimized dark mode enhances comfort and battery life. The combination of thoughtful software design and top-tier hardware creates a smooth, everyday experience, whether you're browsing, messaging, or working on the go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe